In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mirrors on this Volkswagen Jetta. Let's get into it. We're going to take the bezel off. First, there's this trim piece on the inside here. You can use a pick or a screwdriver. Just get underneath and just push it towards the outside of the vehicle. And you just pop that off and it slides out. Now take your trim tool, just go under here. Just want to roll it out a little bit. It just pops up. It slides right out. Disconnect the connector right here, just push down on the tab and it slides right out. Underneath the door panel, we're going to take these 3 screws out. Use a T20 socket. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, take these 3 screws out. And take a trim tool, just go around the front side of the door panel. Just pop it out. Just like that. There may be some clips on the back side as well. And we're going to take this screw out. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Slide it out and up. You can pull it out. Now you just want to support the door panel from falling, then you don't have to disconnect all the wiring behind. The connector right here, if you just take a screwdriver or a pick, disconnect that from that retainer, and then squeeze these 2 little tabs right here and here. And slide that off. We'll disconnect this wire as well. 2 little tabs, just push those in and just slide that off there. There's a screw right here. Use a T20 socket, take that screw out. And just take a trim tool, get behind this cover, just pop it out. There's a clip right there. There's also a clip down here. Just slide that up and out. Now take this foam piece off, set that aside. Now we're going to take this bolt out. I am going to support the mirror while we take it out. I'm going to use a T45 socket. Take that bolt. Grab the mirror. Rock it out. And it comes right out. I'll slide the wire through. And push that clip in. And take the screw, get that started. And just snug that down. Take the foam piece, we'll just put that on the back of this trim piece. Just get this lined up. Take the wire, send it through the center there, and push it in. And if you have that little push pin right there, push that in. Take the screw, get that started. And snug it down. Plug these in. And plug these in. And just slide that on. That's good. Now take the door panel, slide it back in position. You want to slide the locked rod through the hole there. And then the top part of the door panel is going to go on first. Just go over like that. It's in position with the push pins lined up. Just push it in. And put this screw back in, tighten it down. Snug. Now we're going to put these screws in and tighten those down. I'll connect the connector, line this up, and push it down. Take this piece, line it up, lock that down. Now put these screws in, get those started, and tighten them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.